Okay, so we are doing a tour of the beach club villa room that we have. It's a decent sized room, but can sleep probably up to five people. So when you walk in, you have a coat rack, a bag rack. Katie sometimes likes to put her bags and purses here, display them really nicely. You can put your masks here too that you're gonna wear for COVID. Let me go ahead and turn on this light. Right when you walk in, to the right you have your kitchen. It's definitely smaller than Copper Creek, where we transferred from today. But you have your standard coffee pot, different items to make your coffee. A cooler. This is more of a cooler than a refrigerator, but enough space for maybe a couple of bottles of wine. We've already got some snacks in there that we got from our cabana at the Stormalong Bay. Got your microwave, ice bucket, paper towels. Up top, some additional paper towels, a toaster. Let's see, and just some paper plates and cups and utensils on this side. And underneath you have your recycle and your trash. And on the left, we have a single sink, which I'm not sure how to feel about that. Let's try to get some light. Here we go. We've got a single sink, which I guess is okay. Again, Copper Creek did have two. A bit bigger area to get ready as well. But it's still nice. Got your hair dryer underneath. A mirror here to do your makeup. Or help do your hair. Let's see, on this side, looks like there's a closet. Okay, you've got your ironing board, some hangers, and some additional pillows and blankets. Ironing board and iron, fire extinguisher, and then your safe. I don't know if you could see, can't really see, it's too dark, but on this side there is a vacuum. Okay. Let's take a look at the bathroom. Okay. I like the size of the bathroom, especially from a typical bathroom. If you're thinking your value resort's really tight and small, there is a little bit of room here to walk around the toilet, which is nice, and to get dressed and shower comfortably. Plenty of towels. Not sure the shower is too themed. I mean, if anything, this tile kind of looks like sand, I guess. And we are staying at the beach club. It's big enough for everybody to use and be comfortable. Not really sure what beach that is. Okay, let's take a look at the room, or the beds, I should say. So we've got a queen size bed here. Can sleep two, maybe two parents and a small child in there. Got a pull-out sofa. Could probably sleep another two. And I didn't know this, but there's actually another bed here. So let's see if we move these chairs. It gives you some instructions here. It says to press the button and pull handle to lower bed. When raising the bed up, make sure it latches securely. So here's one of the buttons, and there's your handle. On the other side, there's another one. So I'm gonna lower this, and then you can see the finished product. And here's what the bed looks like. Nice art of the beach club lighthouse. You can sleep peacefully next to Donald Duck. This can fit a child or a smaller adult. I think there is a weight limit. It might be 150, probably a little bit more. We'll have to get a confirmation on that. Okay, here is our view outside of our room. It's nice. Looks like there's maybe a quiet pool down there. But I think down in the distance, that bridge, if you walk across, takes you towards the bus stops.
Oh, it's so hot. It is so hot.
It is hot. It's really hot.
Thank you for watching the Diz Nuts. Please like, subscribe, and comment. And you can push the little bell notifications to see our next post. Thanks!